This is the weather forecast video for Tuesday, April 19th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see cloudiness moving into the state from the west, extends from the desert southwest through the central Rockies into the Great Lakes. This is a storm system that will be producing anywhere from snow to the north to severe weather to our south and southeast. Here's the watch warning map from last evening. You can see a winter weather advisory over the extreme northern counties of the state, with a winter storm warning over Wisconsin, in the Dakotas, with other winter weather advisories. So winter weather is not that far away. Here's the QBF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock. This will take into effect some of the rain that occurred last night and two more storms. Today's storm and another storm. 1 to 2 inches possible, with upwards of 7 inches southeast of the state. Here's the snowfall forecast. This is areas that may receive 4 inches of snow or more, and the better probabilities will be to the north and northwest. Likely 1 to as much as 3 inches of snow is possible over the extreme northern counties of the state. And here we go to the GFS model run. This is at 1 p.m. today. You can see a vortex moving through the center part of the country with a bit of a trough out to the west. Down at the surface, a low pressure over about north of Joplin, Missouri, will be on the cold side, so a cold rain with a rain-snow mix across the northern counties of the state, mostly all day. As we head into the 1 a.m. Wednesday morning, that low is now over about South Bend, Indiana. Cold air moving in, so the rain will switch to snow in the north of Highway 20 as it ends. It'll stay mainly rain south of there. As we head to Wednesday afternoon, that low is now moved to north of Buffalo. Colder air moving in. Most of the precipitation should be over by this time, with clearing skies and cooler conditions. As we head to Thursday, you can see another storm is starting to take shape as that front has stalled to our south and is going to retreat back north as a warm front, so precipitation may break out in the western part of the state by Thursday afternoon. And into Friday, here comes another low centered near Kansas City. We'll be on the north side of the storm again, so we'll see some rain, a cold rain, but snow is unlikely with this one. And by Saturday, that storm has zipped off to the northeast. The front has now stalled south of the state again, but will be on the cooler and drier side. So Saturday will likely remain dry for the state. And Easter Sunday, here's Easter Sunday here, looks to remain dry also, with much of the precipitation staying just to the south, although some more clouds will be in the southern part of the state that day. By Monday, another storm is now moving in. It's over northern Oklahoma, and some rain is possible Monday and Monday afternoon, Monday night, as the front moves through. And as we head off to a week from today, Tuesday, that low is now moved up into the Great Lakes. Still some rain is possible, with another low forming just southwest of the state. We head off into Voodoo country. This is the next day, Wednesday. That low is now over eastern Iowa, so some heavy rain is possible then, so we can't get rid of the rain, it seems like. And we go to the end of the forecast period on May the 4th, a trough out over the west with a big ridge over Texas and Mexico, and a bit of a trough out over the lakes and northeastern part of the country. Down at the surface, some storms here and there. Generally, a pretty average temperature and rainfall for early May, but things could change on the very next run. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.